up, Dope Fam? It's your boy Dope here with another video, guys. Today we're gonna be working on that Mamalona. I recently picked up some new headlight style. You guys remember I have these, I guess you would say, backwards C-shape LED headlights. But I got new ones. I'm not sure which ones I want to keep. I just wanted to see, you know, the difference, because these are a different style, obviously. So we're gonna try the new style, see how I like it, because these are all chrome. And then if you can tell, these are chrome with a little bit of black outer, and then the amber on the side. And the new ones, and these are L-shaped. As you can see, they have the L, or I guess a backwards L. But yeah, see how they're all chromed out on the side, all chrome in the inside. It comes with new gaskets for the bulbs. It comes with your quick connectors, which I love when they include these, because these can get pretty expensive, to be honest, but it makes the job so much easier to install. You don't have to cut anything, tape up anything. Everything just goes in here. But I'm actually going to be using different connectors for this install. I'm going to be using these, and I'll show you why in a bit. Because these are more like a permanent solution, which these you can actually disconnect and connect. This top pin that's up here just slides out. Make sure you guys don't lose these. I have lost them before, so make sure you keep those somewhere safe. And then pretty much after that, these just pop off straight up. As so. And these just twist off. These just disconnect. This connects down here. Okay, so this is what I'm talking about the quick connects that I'm going to install the new ones, because I already have those connected down here. So it makes everything much easier to install. You can just plug these in and that's it. On the other quick connectors that they include, they pretty much clamp both of your wires together, and the only way to take it off is either to cut your wire off or unclamp them. But in this situation, you can just unplug everything, which makes the uninstall and reinstall much easier. So I'll put this into the side. It's just a little clip back here. You gotta push in, and that pops off. This is the little clip I was pushing right here. You just push this, like a little clamp as well, and everything comes off. You want to unplug all your bulbs as well. And that's that one's out. Alright, so I'm just gonna install one side, and then that way you guys can see the difference between the new ones and the old ones. And then yeah, that's pretty much it. We're gonna reinstall everything back together. Here's the new one. We're gonna go ahead and install those quick connectors on this. Perfect. See how they turned on? Sick. Now plug all this back together. What we're gonna do is use the actual splice wires they included. So I guess we will be using these, since these headlights are different from the other ones. But pretty much all we gotta do is feed both wires through here and then clamp everything together, and that's it. Put them together. You just want to make sure you're matching the colors to the correct side, brown to brown, black to black, you know. Bye. Then all you want to do is feed this wire through here. And then you want to clamp them together. And then you can close this off. Do a little tug test, make sure nothing gets pulled. And then you repeat that with the other side. Clamp everything together. And that should work. We'll give it a little test turn on. Just gotta finish putting all the bubbles back in. What do you guys think? What side is your favorite? Only difference I noticed is this side has LEDs on this side, and this side doesn't. You'll have to put a little bulb in there for that blinker to turn on. But what do you guys think? Comment down below which side I should keep. They're both really nice. This one gives it obviously a different look than this one. But yeah guys, I'm not going to show you guys how to do this side because you pretty much want to repeat what we did here on this side. Same thing. I will be getting maybe a new light bar soon. I do got to fix my fog lights. The wires on them got wet, so I got to change out the plugs. That's it for today's install guys. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.
Subscribe to Dope Dust.
Perfect.